Welcome to Ronan's Playhouse and Learning. Hey everyone! Welcome to Ronan's Playhouse, the place where learning is awesome and fun, never ends. Today, we're going to become planet protectors as we learn about something super cool. The 3 R's. Can you guess what they are? They help us keep the Earth clean, happy, and healthy. Let's find out. The 3 R's stand for reduce, reuse, recycle. Let's break them down and learn how each one helps our planet. First up, reduce. This means using less stuff so we don't make too much trash. Like turning off the lights when you leave a room. Or not wasting water when you brush your teeth. The less we use, the more we save. Next is reuse. That means using things again instead of throwing them away. Like using a cool lunchbox instead of plastic bags. Or turning an old t-shirt into a cleaning cloth. You can even turn boxes into toys. Or art projects. So fun! And the last R is recycle. That means turning old things into new things. When we put paper, bottles, and cans in the right bin, they get taken to special places and made into something brand new. It's like magic for trash. Let's do a quick review. Reduce. Use less stuff. I help save the Earth by using only what we need. Reuse. Use things again. I give old things new life. Ta-da! Recycle. Turn old things into something new. When we use the 3 R's, we become Earth heroes and help keep our world clean and green. Great job, friends! You did an awesome job learning the 3 R's with us today at Ronan's Playhouse. Remember, even small changes make a big difference for our planet. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends for more fun and learning. See you next time. Bye-bye, Earth Heroes!